This is a practice problem video for lesson number 5, work. So, I have a cylinder filled with N2, but the roof of the cylinder is connected to a linear spring. So the spring is going to have produce a linear relationship between pressure and volume. And in its initial state, we have a pressure of 1,000 kilopascals and a volume of 0.25 meters cubed. And we also know that the mass is 0.75 kilograms. So, we are going to heat up this nitrogen gas until we have a volume of 0.40 meters cubed. The question I want to ask you is, what is the work? Now, before you do the problem, I'm going to give you one assumption that we can make for this problem, and that there is that at 0 kilopascals, there's going when pressure equals 0 kPa, volume is going to equal 0 meters cubed. So what is work? Now if you want to try this on your own, pause the video now, and when you want to check your work, or if you get stuck, press play again. So I'm going to start doing the problem right now. Alright, well, first thing we know is that there's going to be a linear relationship between pressure and volume. So I'm just going to make a little PV diagram. And we've already given 0, 0 as a point. And we also know that 0.25 and 1,000 is a point on this line. But we can extrapolate instead of interpolate like we have in the past. We're going to extrapolate and continue this line forward up until the point 0.40. And then there's going to be some pressure that correlates to it. So what we're going to do is find the slope of this line, and that's just going to be rise over run. So we have 1,000 minus 0 all over 0.25 minus 0, which equals 4,000 kilopascals for every meters cubed we have. And since we have no since the y-intercept is 0, we can just use this as the conversion factor. We have 0.40 meters cubed. The units cancel, and we are left with 1,600 kilopascals. Alright, so now we have the missing pressure. This equals P2. So we're going to have to find work from this. And we know work for a linear relationship equals P1 plus P2 all over 2 times V2 minus V1. This is just plug and chug. We have 1,000 plus 1,600 all over 2 times 0.40 minus 0.25. And if you put this in your calculator, we find that that nitrogen gas produced 195 kilojoules of work. Alright, that's all there is to it. Good luck with thermodynamics.